Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Alright, today we're making chicken and rice stir fry. It's fast, flavorful, and perfect for busy weeknights. Tender chicken, fluffy rice, crisp vegetables, and a savory stir-fry sauce come together in one pan for a meal that's better than takeout. This recipe is easy to customize, it's budget-friendly, and great for meal prep. Once you make it at home, you'll never order stir-fry again. First up, we're gonna thinly slice chicken breasts. Then we're gonna need 2 cups of cooked rice. Use any kind of rice you like. Day-old rice works the best. Then we're gonna slice up some bell peppers and mince up some garlic cloves and mince up some ginger root. And chop some green onions. So now we're going to prepare the sauce. So in a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin, rice vinegar, sesame oil, sugar, cornstarch, and water. Whisk that up and set that aside. We're going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a stainless steel skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to add the chicken in a single layer and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until golden and cooked through. We're going to remove that from the pan and put it on a plate and set that aside. And we're going to add the remaining oil to the pan. Stir in the broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas for 3 to 4 minutes until crisp and tender. Then we're going to add in our garlic and stir for about 30 seconds until fragrant. We're going to add the chicken and the rice back to the pan and stir to break up any clumps of rice. Then we're going to stir in the sauce, cook that for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly until thickened and glossy. So there you have it, chicken and rice stir fry. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.